Wintergreen essential oil comes from the Gaultheria procumbens plant. Now this plant belongs to the Ericaceae family and grows in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. It is commonly used as a flavoring agent in confectionery products such as chewing gum and toothpaste. Wintergreen also has various medicinal properties and serves as an antiseptic, diuretic, stimulant, emmenagogue, and it is anti-rheumatic. It is beneficial in rheumatic conditions and helps with muscular pains, especially for athletes. Avoid use during pregnancy. You also want to check other safety information regarding using with young children, nursing women, and those with severe liver or kidney disease. Wintergreen is a middle note.